GED Math Test Practice Questions. Question 1. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 12 and width 2, 30.5, 26.8, 28.0, 30.8? Using the formula, the result is 28. Question 2. Find the mean of the set 7, 14, 23, 42, 46, 24.4, 26.4, 31.4, 28.4. Calculated result is 26.4. Question 3. Solve for x plus 17 equals 49, 7.0, 10.0, 8.0, 9.0. Subtract 17 from 49 to get 32, then divide by 4 to get 8. Question 4. What is the area of a triangle with base 5 and height 8, 20.0, 18.8, 22.5, 22.0? Using the formula, the result is 20.0. Question 5. Find the range of the set 5, 13, 31, 40, 44, 39.0, 37.0, 41.0, 44.0. Calculated result is 39. Question 6. What is 79 plus 19? 104.0, 96.0, 100.0, 98.0. The result of the calculation is 98. Question 7. Find the mean of the set 3, 5, 13, 26, 50, 24.4, 21.4, 17.4, 19.4. Calculated result is 19.4. Question 8. Find the median of the set 7, 13, 27, 29, 31, 27.0, 25.0, 32.0, 29.0. Calculated result is 27. Question 9. What is the area of a rectangle with length 14 and width 3, 44.5, 46.2, 42.0, 40.8? Using the formula, the result is 42. Question 10. What is 86 asterisk 3, 258.0, 257.0, 260.0, 265.0? The result of the calculation is 258. Question 11. Find the median of the set 5, 6, 13, 15, 49, 13.0, 11.0, 15.0, 18.0. Calculated result is 13. Question 12. Find the mean of the set 20, 35, 45, 47, 47, 40.8, 43.8, 38.8, 36.8. Calculated result is 38.8. Question 13. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 8 and width 2, 22.5, 22.0, 18.8, 20.0? Using the formula, the result is 20. Question 14. Find the mean of the set 17, 19, 23, 40, 46, 34.0, 31.0, 27.0, 29.0. Calculated result is 29.0. Question 15. What is the area of a triangle with base 13 and height 2, 14.3, 11.8, 13.0, 15.5? Using the formula, the result is 13.0. Question 16. What is 18 plus 14, 34.0, 29.0, 32.0, 39.0? The result of the calculation is 32. Question 17. What is 1155/15, 86.0, 72.0, 77.0, 81.0? The result of the calculation is 77. Question 18. Find the median of the set 3, 6, 7, 40, 43, 9.0, 12.0, 5.0, 7.0. Calculated result is 7. Question 19. What is 60 to 6? 61.0, 54.0, 51.0, 58.0. The result of the calculation is 54. Question 20. Solve for x. 5x plus 4 equals 44, 8.0, 7.0, 10.0, 9.0. Subtract 4 from 44 to get 40, then divide by 5 to get 8. Question 21. Solve for x. For x plus 18 equals 78, 17.0, 15.0, 14.0, 16.0. Subtract 18 from 78 to get 60, then divide by 4 to get 15. Question 22. Solve for x. 2x plus 17 equals 31, 9.0, 8.0, 6.0, 7.0. Subtract 17 from 31 to get 14, then divide by 2 to get 7. Question 23. Solve for x. 10x plus 3 equals 143, 16.0, 15.0, 14.0, 13.0. Subtract 3 from 143 to get 140, then divide by 10 to get 14. Question 24. What is 47 to 1? 47.0, 54.0, 46.0, 45.0. The result of the calculation is 46. Question 25. Solve for x. 9x plus 2 equals 110, 13.0, 11.0, 14.0, 12.0. Subtract 2 from 110 to get 108, then divide by 9 to get 12. Question 26. What is the area of a rectangle with length 12 and width 5? 62.5, 66.0, 60.0, 58.8. Using the formula, the result is 60. Question 27. What is 50 plus 3? 56.0, 53.0, 50.0, 63.0. The result of the calculation is 53. Question 28. Solve for x. For x plus 20 equals 76, 16.0, 14.0, 15.0, 13.0. Subtract 20 from 76 to get 56, then divide by 4 to get 14. Question 29. Solve for x. 7x plus 12 equals 61, 9.0, 8.0, 7.0, 6.0. Subtract 12 from 61 to get 49, then divide by 7 to get 7. Question 30. Solve for x. 3x plus 13 equals 37, 7.0, 10.0, 9.0, 8.0. Subtract 13 from 37 to get 24, then divide by 3 to get 8. Question 31. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 17 and width 9? 57.2, 52.0, 50.8, 54.5. Using the formula, the result is 52. Question 32. Solve for x. 9x plus 15 equals 42, 5.0, 4.0, 3.0, 2.0. Subtract 15 from 42 to get 27, then divide by 9 to get 3. Question 33. Solve for x. 3x plus 16 equals 31, 4.0, 5.0, 6.0, 7.0. Subtract 16 from 31 to get 15, then divide by 3 to get 5. Question 34. What is the area of a rectangle with length 14 and width 6? 84.0, 82.8, 92.4, 86.5. Using the formula, the result is 84. Question 35. What is the area of a triangle with base 6 and height 10, 28.8, 30.0, 33.0, 32.5? Using the formula, the result is 30.0. Question 36. Find the mean of the set 21, 33, 43, 44, 44, 35.0, 37.0, 42.0, 39.0. Calculated result is 37.0. Question 37. What is 35 to 10, 25.0, 26.0, 24.0, 32.0? The result of the calculation is 25. Question 38. Solve for x, 2x plus 3 equals 13, 4.0, 7.0, 6.0, 5.0. Subtract 3 from 13 to get 10, then divide by 2 to get 5. Question 39. Find the median of the set 9, 26, 34, 37, 39, 34.0, 36.0, 32.0, 39.0. Calculated result is 34. Question 40. Find the mean of the set 1, 14, 19, 27, 30, 23.2, 16.2, 18.2, 20.2. Calculated result is 18.2. Question 41. Find the mean of the set 1, 10, 12, 38, 44, 23.0, 21.0, 19.0, 26.0. Calculated result is 21.0. Question 42. What is the area of a triangle with base 9 and height 8, 36.0, 34.8, 38.5, 39.6? Using the formula, the result is 36.0. Question 43. What is 91 to 2, 87.0, 98.0, 92.0, 89.0? The result of the calculation is 89. Question 44. Solve for x, 3x plus 1 equals 34, 10.0, 12.0, 11.0, 13.0. Subtract 1 from 34 to get 33, then divide by 3 to get 11. Question 45. What is the area of a triangle with base 11 and height 10, 55.0, 60.5, 53.8, 57.5? Using the formula, the result is 55.0. Question 46. Solve for x, 6x plus 12 equals 42, 5.0, 4.0, 7.0, 6.0. Subtract 12 from 42 to get 30, then divide by 6 to get 5. Question 47. What is 71 plus 12, 89.0, 85.0, 83.0, 79.0? The result of the calculation is 83. Question 48. What is 60 to 3, 54.0, 58.0, 57.0, 67.0? The result of the calculation is 57. Question 49. What is 87 asterisk 12, 1041.0, 1044.0, 1053.0, 1048.0? The result of the calculation is 1044. Question 50. Solve for x, 7x plus 2 equals 51, 9.0, 7.0, 6.0, 8.0. Subtract 2 from 51 to get 49, then divide by 7 to get 7. Question 51. What is the area of a rectangle with length 19 and width 9, 188.1, 169.8, 173.5, 171.0? Using the formula, the result is 171. Question 52. Solve for x, 10x plus 1 equals 151, 16.0, 14.0, 15.0, 17.0. Subtract 1 from 151 to get 150, then divide by 10 to get 15. Question 53. Solve for x, 5x plus 12 equals 17, 1.0, 2.0, 0.0, 3.0. Subtract 12 from 17 to get 5, then divide by 5 to get 1. Question 54. Find the median of the set 5, 15, 22, 38, 47, 24.0, 27.0, 20.0, 22.0. Calculated result is 22. Question 55. What is the area of a triangle with base 18 and height 10? 90.0, 88.8, 99.0, 92.5. Using the formula, the result is 90.0. Question 56. What is 70 plus 2? 80.0, 68.0, 72.0, 77.0. The result of the calculation is 72. Question 57. Find the mean of the set 2, 11, 18, 39, 45, 28.0, 21.0, 23.0, 25.0. Calculated result is 23.0. Question 58. What is 25 asterisk 5? 129.0, 125.0, 131.0, 120.0. The result of the calculation is 125. Question 59. What is 79 plus 5? 84.0, 87.0, 80.0, 90.0. The result of the calculation is 84. Question 60. Solve for x, 5x plus 4 equals 14, 1.0, 3.0, 4.0, 2.0. Subtract 4 from 14 to get 10, then divide by 5 to get 2. Question 61. Solve for x, 6x plus 1 equals 55, 11.0, 10.0, 8.0, 9.0. Subtract 1 from 55 to get 54, then divide by 6 to get 9. Question 62. Solve for x, 10x plus 12 equals 82, 6.0, 9.0, 7.0, 8.0. Subtract 12 from 82 to get 70, then divide by 10 to get 7. Question 63. What is the area of a rectangle with length 10 and width 6? 58.8, 62.5, 60.0, 66.0. Using the formula, the result is 60. Question 64. What is 14 plus 14? 35.0, 29.0, 24.0, 28.0. The result of the calculation is 28. Question 65. Find the range of the set 3, 13, 22, 34, 38, 35.0, 37.0, 40.0, 33.0. Calculated result is 35. Question 66. What is the area of a triangle with base 20 and height 6? 66.0, 60.0, 58.8, 62.5. Using the formula, the result is 60.0. Question 67. What is the area of a rectangle with length 16 and width 7? 110.8, 123.2, 112.0, 114.5. Using the formula, the result is 112. Question 68. What is 730/10? 76.0, 68.0, 80.0, 73.0. The result of the calculation is 73. Question 69. What is the area of a circle with radius 1? Use pi equals 3.14, 5.64, 1.94, 3.14, 3.45. Using the formula, the result is 3.14. Question 70. What is the area of a rectangle with length 16 and width 3? 52.8, 50.5, 48.0, 46.8. Using the formula, the result is 48. Question 71. What is 60 plus 16? 76.0, 83.0, 81.0, 73.0. The result of the calculation is 76. Question 72. What is the area of a circle with radius 8? Use pi equals 3.14, 200.96, 203.46, 221.06, 199.76. Using the formula, the result is 200.96. Question 73. What is 24 plus 1? 25.0, 33.0, 27.0, 23.0. The result of the calculation is 25. Question 74. What is 100 plus 20? 120.0, 127.0, 125.0, 115.0. The result of the calculation is 120. Question 75. Solve for x. 10x plus 2 equals 82, 10.0, 7.0, 8.0, 9.0. Subtract 2 from 82 to get 80, then divide by 10 to get 8. Question 76. What is the area of a rectangle with length 6 and width 5? 28.8, 30.0, 33.0, 32.5. Using the formula, the result is 30. Question 77. Find the median of the set 3, 26, 29, 37, 49, 29.0, 31.0, 27.0, 34.0. Calculated result is 29. Question 78. Find the range of the set 5, 8, 28, 30, 47, 47.0, 42.0, 44.0, 40.0. Calculated result is 42. Question 79. Solve for x. 2x plus 3 equals 13, 7.0, 6.0, 5.0, 4.0. Subtract 3 from 13 to get 10, then divide by 2 to get 5. Question 80. Find the range of the set 13, 14, 19, 36, 45, 37.0, 30.0, 34.0, 32.0. Calculated result is 32. Question 81. What is 78 to 5? 75.0, 73.0, 72.0, 82.0. The result of the calculation is 73. Question 82. Find the mean of the set 1, 6, 7, 32, 49, 17.0, 21.0, 24.0, 19.0. Calculated result is 19.0. Question 83. Find the mean of the set 3, 6, 35, 46, 49, 27.8, 32.8, 25.8, 29.8. Calculated result is 27.8. Question 84. Find the mean of the set 27, 33, 34, 39, 42, 40.0, 33.0, 37.0, 35.0. Calculated result is 35.0. Question 85. Solve for x. 10x plus 3 equals 93, 9.0, 8.0, 11.0, 10.0. Subtract 3 from 93 to get 90, then divide by 10 to get 9. Question 86. What is 42 to 12? 26.0, 34.0, 38.0, 30.0. The result of the calculation is 30. Question 87. What is the area of a rectangle with length 14 and width 3? 42.0, 46.2, 40.8, 44.5. Using the formula, the result is 42. Question 88. Find the median of the set 20, 32, 32, 44, 44, 30.0, 34.0, 37.0, 32.0. Calculated result is 32. Question 89. Find the median of the set 15, 21, 25, 29, 33, 30.0, 25.0, 23.0, 27.0. Calculated result is 25. Question 90. Solve for x. 7x plus 5 equals 12. 1.0, 2.0, 3.0, 0.0. Subtract 5 from 12 to get 7, then divide by 7 to get 1. Question 91. Solve for x. 2x plus 1 equals 25. 14.0, 13.0, 11.0, 12.0. Subtract 1 from 25 to get 24, then divide by 2 to get 12. Question 92. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 20 and width 8? 61.6, 54.8, 56.0, 58.5. Using the formula, the result is 56. Question 93. What is the area of a rectangle with length 6 and width 9? 54.0, 59.4, 56.5, 52.8. Using the formula, the result is 54. Question 94. Find the mean of the set 14, 29, 41, 46, 50, 41.0, 38.0, 34.0, 36.0. Calculated result is 36.0. Question 95. What is the perimeter of a rectangle with length 7 and width 2? 18.0, 16.8, 20.5, 19.8. Using the formula, the result is 18. Question 96. What is the area of a triangle with base 16 and height 10? 82.5, 88.0, 78.8, 80.0. Using the formula, the result is 80.0. Question 97. What is 592/8? 82.0, 75.0, 71.0, 74.0. The result of the calculation is 74. Question 98. What is 89 plus 1? 90.0, 85.0, 96.0, 95.0. The result of the calculation is 90. Question 99. What is 18/1? 25.0, 22.0, 13.0, 18.0. The result of the calculation is 18. Question 100. Find the mean of the set 14, 17, 37, 38, 43, 34.8, 27.8, 31.8, 29.8. Calculated result is 29.8.